Now, science, technology, and innovation are becoming key drivers of Vietnam's new era of development, and they require more resources joining hands in making this ambition a reality.
And that is why we're turning to the overseas Vietnamese community. To inspire young individuals to make a contribution, Vietnam Summer Camp 2026 has hosted a study trip at Explora Science Quy Nhon, where they experience the latest advances in science and technology firsthand.
And beyond gaining new knowledge, they are actually left with renewed determination to apply their expertise and creativity in contributing to Vietnam's development.
At Explora Science Quy Nhon, hands-on experiences in science, technology, and creativity gave young participants a new perspective on the role of knowledge in the Vietnam's development. For 17-year-old Ngọc Lam, that journey began years ago. While many of her peers were just starting to explore AI, Lam was already using it to tackle a challenge in wildlife conservation. Her project, which applies AI to identify gibbons and determine their sex through vocal patterns, won third prize at the 2026 Project X International Science and Technology Competition.
Since gibbons live in dense forests in the Annamite Mountains in Laos, it's very difficult for researchers to access and monitor them constantly. So by using AI, it helps us to monitor them every day without really disturbing the species. Since I live in Laos, I don't really have the opportunity to help the species that are in Vietnam. So I would love to use this project as an opportunity to help endangered species in Vietnam.
For Nguyễn Đức Việt, a young Vietnamese from Bulgaria, the summer camp has provided an opportunity to connect the knowledge he has gained abroad with Vietnam's development needs. As a cybersecurity student, this experience had further strengthened his desire to bring the knowledge and expertise he has gained in Europe back to contribute to Vietnam.
After having a successful career in Bulgaria, I hope to return to Vietnam and contribute to the country's growing cybersecurity industry. As digital transformation continues, cybersecurity is becoming increasingly important for businesses, governments. My goal is to apply the knowledge and practical experience I gain abroad to help organizations improve their security posture and respond more effectively to cyber threats.
Here, participants have the opportunity to explore and be inspired through hands-on experiences. They can engage with science and turn their dreams into reality. I believe that wherever they live and study, they will gain the confidence to pursue science, continue learning, and contribute to technological development, not only in their host countries, but also through collaborations with and contributions to Vietnam.
The experiences at Explora Science Quy Nhon brought young overseas Vietnamese closer to the world of science while inspiring their passion for discovery and contribution through knowledge. Whether pursuing fields such as AI or cybersecurity, these young people are finding ways to turn what they have learned into meaningful contributions to Vietnam.